Hi, Nettie. Why didn't you just smell the black pepper?
She's getting registered.
Nettie, not too loud. You bring like the blood from your nose.
Let me try this one.
It worked. Let me throw pepper at you.
Oh my gosh. Just think about it.
How can I take care of you?